Hello, and welcome to Everyday English Lab, the podcast for learners who want to speak English with more confidence and joy. I'm Adam, and I'm here to help you speak English more naturally, step by step, day by day. I will be speaking slowly and clearly so you can follow me and repeat after me. In today's episode, we're going to talk about something very simple but very powerful: how to practice English every single day, even if your life is busy, even if you feel shy, or even if you don't live in an English-speaking country. Many people think they need to move to the UK or America to speak English well, but that's not true. You don't need to live in London. You don't need a native speaker next to you. What you need are small, smart steps that fit into your daily life. Let's start with a technique called shadowing. Shadowing is when you listen to someone speaking and you repeat exactly what they say, like an echo. You don't stop and you don't translate in your mind. Let's try it together. I will say a sentence, then I will wait for 2 seconds for you to repeat it. Ready? I want to speak English fluently. I listen to English every day. Shadowing helps me speak better. Very good. That's it. You are training your brain and your mouth to work together. Now, let me give you 5 simple ways to practice every day. Tip number 1. Listen to English every day. This is the most important step. Listen to podcasts, music, or news. Even if you only understand 30%, it is still useful. Make English your background music. Tip number 2. Shadow what you hear. After you listen to a sentence, use your voice. Match the rhythm and the emotion of the speaker. Tip number 3. Think in English. Stop translating from your native language. Start with short thoughts like, I am hungry, or the sky is beautiful. This connects your brain directly to English. Tip number 4. Read aloud. Reading aloud helps your mouth muscles. Choose a short story and read it like you are an actor. It builds incredible fluency. Tip number 5. Use English in your daily life. Change your phone settings to English. You will learn words like settings and update without even trying. Also, try writing a short 3-sentence diary every night about your day. Turning small daily actions into English practice is the real secret. These small habits create confident English speakers. So let English be part of who you are, not just what you study. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe to Everyday English Lab for more tips. See you next time.